and then the racing just got real. Welcome back to the 2023 MG Car Club Speed Championship. Here we are again at Cadwell Park, and here's the problem. Damp and moist today, wet track, hoping that's going to dry out. And as we saw in my last video, where we did a track day here, this course takes no prisoners in the wet. So really hoping it's going to dry out later, but the forecast says no. All the usual startup procedure then, signing on, scrutineering, noise testing, 2 practice laps, that'll get us up to lunchtime, and then we've got 2 timed laps that will count towards the championship. This being a new course, a new track for the MG Car Club, automatically that's 100 points, so not too much pressure on this event, which is really good. Can just enjoy it and have a good day. Right, so I'm going to spare you the practice. Let's get straight to the action. Or not, as the case may be. It's 11:30 in the morning. We haven't yet done our practice. We've had a couple of people going off and ploughing the fields, so rightly so, hopefully they're okay. We've stopped and it looks like we might only have 3 time laps now rather than 4, so better make them count. One lap in then, and it stayed dry. Results, I got a really good time, 1:17.8. That should stand hopefully. But as we wait for our second time lap, lo and behold, it started raining again. Great.
So with the last lap of the day and a time of 16.92, that was in fact enough to win the class, fastest MG of the day. So a little bit of glassware for the shelf. So a great day at Cadwell Park. Some okay times given the conditions, but a good season opener. 100 points in the bank towards the championship, all ready for the next round, which just happens to be next weekend at my home circuit, Cobra. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you on the next video.